Hello! Le Papillon Source is an ambitious transnational project involving a series of 100% innovative, experimental, educational, and anti-globalization theme parks along with a series of interconnected agroclimatic and agrotourism infrastructures distributed across the 5 continents. In the Mediterranean, Europe, America, Africa, and Asia, the project will create a true synergy by developing and interconnecting various local dynamics, which are cooperation links in several countries simultaneously. The business model of the theme parks is similar to that of a resort, as it is a destination for complete stays with all-inclusive services such as recreation, alternative hotels and restaurants, experiential attractions, and related services such as experimental museums, research and development centers, exhibitions, conferences, congresses, and alternative schools, universities or training centers, etc. In short, we are talking about places dedicated to multidisciplinary research on topics related to humanity, ethics, philosophy, science, energy, and land management, among others. They will bring together a large number of researchers, inventors, and visionaries currently isolated without resources, but with great potential, guided solely by the real benefit of humanity. Places dedicated to educational tourism. They will create quality entertainment, learning, and a creative experience for clients of all ages, families, individuals, small, medium, and large companies, schools, universities, consultants, public figures, and special interest groups. Places dedicated to scientific tourism. Places dedicated to ecological, responsible, social, and solidarity tourism, as well as rural, health, and wellness tourism. Places dedicated to business tourism for meetings, fairs, exhibitions, and summits, where the subtlety of the mind and the intelligence of the heart are intertwined. Places dedicated to the exchange and participatory establishment of agreements and projects on how to ethically and sustainably manage global affairs. Le Papillon Source is the brand of 2 types of infrastructures. Infrastructure number 1. Agroclimatic tourism cities that are experimental, self-managed, and educational, also called educational anti-globalization theme parks. Infrastructure number 2. Self-regulated agroclimatic plant complexes, whose function is agricultural production using alternative processes, also called self-managed food bank cities. At the heart of these 2 types of experimental places are vertical structures, lush agroclimatic vertical forest gardens that can be visited in 3 dimensions, called vegetal calderas. The uniqueness of the vegetal calderas is that they also generate beneficial waves, i.e., positive electromagnetic fields for living beings, and moisture, especially in arid areas. Thus, in each tourism city, i.e. educational anti-globalization theme park, and in each agroclimatic plant complex, i.e. agricultural production site using alternative processes, we find several vegetal calderas at their core. Dear friends, you can find all the information about this ambitious project, both online and by reading the fictional works of 4 deaf editions. Thank you for your attention and for your commitment to our common future.